Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 5-pack of Pro Car Removal Tool. So this is a fastener remover, set of 5 tools. Here's some photos showing it's used to remove fasteners in your car. So set of 5, super durable automotive repair and furniture resolution. So I have been restoring my first gen Toyota Tacoma, and this will be very handy. Got good reviews. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. So a lot of different types of tools to safely remove the fasteners and everything in your car so that you don't damage any of the parts of your car. So looks very nice set. A lot of different angles, a lot of different types of parts it can remove. That's it. That's the 5th piece. Again, drop a link in the video section. In the video description on where I got this from. And let me know in the comment section below what you think of this set. Cool. Take care, everyone. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.